Hi guys, this is Gary from South Africa. I'm a local resident currently in Hart Bay. Recently moved from Mshlanga Rocks in Durban and recently moved into the space of doing cryptocurrency full time. For me, this is the future of money and it's something everybody should be paying attention to. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Ethtrade. Ethtrade is a trading platform where there are a bunch of professionals that actually trade with cryptocurrency on your behalf. So the great thing about it is you don't need to know too much about trading or even about cryptocurrency, but you can invest money in this particular platform and you can start getting daily returns. So what I want to suggest for anybody that's interested in doing this, the first thing they do is you go to the link that I send you and you click on the investments tab, and if you look how this whole thing works, basically you would register an account, and to register an account is really very easy. You would go to sign up, you would type in your email address, you type in those digits over there and you agree to the terms and you create an account. Okay, once you've created an account, you then the next step would be to invest some money. So the minimum amount that you can invest is $10, which is really great, and you then put it into the company registers the account for you, and you will see in your account dashboard you will have an amount invested that says $10. What happens is this money then goes the following day onto the trading platform, and the professionals that do the trading on the day-to-day basis will invest your money, and then equally every day the money gets split 50-50. Okay, so it's quite a nice way to structure it. I suggest you read about this minimum investment, maximum investment, the income between 15 and 25% per month. That really means that sort of every 4 months or so your money will double. Okay, you get daily accruals. Recommended investment period is 60 days. Minimum withdrawal of profits is only $10. But read about all of this, guys. This is quite important. Okay, it's nice to know the rules of the game. Then if you have a look at what they've actually achieved, these are the results that they actually achieved on a day-to-day basis, and of course you can expand it month to month, and they're very open and it's very transparent. Alright, so I want to take you into my particular account so you can have a look and see what's happened. Important, guys, once you've got a substantial amount of money in here, make sure that you are using two-factor authentication, and this particular site offers it. If you don't know what that is, get hold of me on my email address in the description of this mail. Alright, so if you have a look here, this is your dashboard really. And on your dashboard you can see the amount invested. Okay, I never invested that amount. I invested less than that, but I've set my accruals that they auto reinvest, and I get accruals on the actual accruals. Alright, to have a look at the first thing that I want to show you is the profit calculator. So let's say we are investing with Bitcoin, or you can invest with dollars, Ethereum or Bitcoin. And let's say you invest an amount of 1 Bitcoin into the system. They give you a nice cool little calculator that you can see what your 1 Bitcoin will look like after 180 days. Okay, so in 180 days your 1 Bitcoin would have gone to 1.566 based on their current results, an average of their current results. And your total Bitcoin would have accumulated to 2.566. Right? Cool feature that they allow you to do is auto reinvest your accruals, your profits, and look the difference it makes. So 1 Bitcoin becomes becomes 4.7, and your profit becomes 3.755. The other cool feature is they show you on a day-to-day basis from the trading your actual accruals. Okay, so you can see I started on the 3rd of November. Let's just get there. Okay, I started with a balance of, inserted a balance of 0.5 Bitcoin. And the first day's accrual was 0.0415 Bitcoin, and that went back into the balance. Okay, and so on and so on. So as you see, these are the accruals every single day on the different portfolios. As I loaded more money in, it creates a new portfolio for you, and you start earning accruals on that new money as well. So you can see here, guys, these are accruals, and as the accruals are reinvested, goes into the initial balance, and you're earning interest on, or you're earning profit on the actual accruals as well. Okay, today, this is only 1 month. Alright, that's quite cool. The other nice thing that they offer here, that's quite an exciting part of the business, is there's an optional feature to allow you to introduce others to this, so that others can also get the benefit. Okay, and that's a massive plus for everybody, and they reward you to do that. So when you join, you automatically become what's termed a Frontier member, and as a Frontier member you get 3% of anybody's deposits that go into this particular system, all right, on the first line, and then you also get 2% on the people that they introduce, and then the people that they introduce 1%, all right. And what's also fantastic about it is you also make a portion on the profits that these people are acquiring, and the profits are between 15 and 25% a month, and you make 3% on the first line, 1% on the second line, and 1% on the third line. As a Frontier member, you're limited to only an investment of $500 a week. So you cannot put more in than that, and your weekly withdrawal is limited to $300. But as your investment grows, let's say you've grown your investment to $500, it moves you up in the program, and now on the first line of people that you bring in to get the same benefit as you, obviously, you'll make 7% on the first line, 3% on the second line, and 1% on the third line. In terms of their profits, you'll make 5% of their profits on the first line, 3% of their profits on the second line, and 1% on the third line. Also, you're allowed to invest more weekly, and your weekly withdrawal also goes up. And of course, as this moves up, so does, as you move up in this program, once your turnover has reached $30,000, in other words, with you and your entire team, or your personal investment is $3,000 or more, you start earning more as more and more people start joining. Okay, it's really very exciting once you start crunching the numbers. Yeah, so guys, basically what they give you the opportunity to do is to earn profit off the profits of the people that you've introduced, and everybody sits in the same situation. So we all benefit off the benefits of everybody. So to have a look and see how that's actually worked out for me, you click on the history section, you click on affiliate bonuses. Okay, and if I scroll down, you can see this is when affiliate joined, okay, and I received a bonus of 0.0049 Bitcoin, and on that affiliate's income and that affiliate's daily accruals, I received a daily accrual. Okay, and this is someone else that came in. You can see the ID is different, and of course, as they started earning, so did I earn off their earnings. Alright, so this is a system of mutual support. It's a system where everybody's being rewarded off everybody else, and of course the system just gets bigger and bigger and stronger. So if you want to see exactly who is joined within your team, there is a report, and if you have a look here, you go to partners, and in partners you click on first level partners, and you can see here who all has actually joined within your team. And as you can see here, this particular person invested $500 and my rewards were $34. This particular person invested $492 and my rewards were $34.50. Okay, these are guys that came in recently. If I look at the initial guys, this guy came in, I put in $977. My profit bonuses already are $0.74 and the purchasing bonuses are 68.62. So you can see my total bonus amount is listed here, and this is purely on assisting others to do exactly the same that I'm doing. So how do you introduce this to others? Well, if you go to this partners section and you have a look here, they actually created a landing page for you. Okay, so if you copy that particular address and you go to your browser and you paste it in your browser, and let's say you had to send it to somebody, it gives that person opportunity to read all about this, to look at the stats, to watch the videos, and then obviously to open the account. So it's all done for you, and of course it's got your referral link there, which means the system now knows who referred this particular person. But guys, I want to suggest don't send this out to just everybody. You want to spend time with these people. You want them to understand it and not get their expectations too high. There is always a risk when we're talking about investments. Okay, there's no such thing as no risk. So be mindful of it. Don't put more money in than you're prepared to lose. Right, so guys, if you're interested, get a hold of the person that shared this video with you. If it's me, you'll see under the description, you'll see my link. Okay, click on the link, register your account. You can start with as little as $10. What's nice is every day you can see how much it grows by. If it's somebody else that has sent you a copy of this video, please make sure that you go to their link, all right, so that they can get the benefit out of this. Guys, it's all about mutual support. It's about creating a strong community where we can support each other and we can all make money out of this. This is Gary from South Africa signing off. I hope you got some value out of this, and feel free to contact me. Cheers, guys.